TRX Tron has been one of the most trending cryptocurrencies of 2023. From their current price, we're only 300% away from the old all-time high. Currently, we've been continuously trending to the upside, and I believe TRX has some massive potential in this next bull run. In today's video, I'm going to give you my full price prediction for TRX Tron in 2023 and this upcoming bull run expected to push through 2026. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tap that notification bell to stay up to date with all of the latest videos. Check out this video description where I have my trading masterclass at 50% off, and you can sign up with a top global crypto exchange with a massive sign up bonus. One of the first things I noticed when I scroll out on this weekly chart to see everything of the entire price, back here in 2018 was the old all-time high. In 2021, we were never able to smash through the old all-time high like we were with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many of these other cryptocurrencies. So we are actually trending to the upside, but we haven't broken above that old all-time high. So is 2023 and this upcoming bull run going to be the time? Let's find out in this video. The main thing that I do notice here is we are making a bit of a parabola to the upside. We can see that we're continuously making these high prices, and in this latest price, we are beginning to actually make that sort of exponential moving average all the way pushing to the upside, exponentially moving. So right now, when I actually scroll into the latest price to look on the weekly time frame, this is very different to a lot of other crypto coins. You will notice when we flick over to a lot of different cryptocurrencies, let's actually go to Solana, look at the weekly time frame, look at what's happening at the weekly time frame for Solana. But when we compare that to the crypto that we're looking at right now, TRX, look at what's happening for the last few weeks. We've had a continuous uptrend in this 20 exponential moving average, which is extremely positive. See what's been happening. We've had this uptrend in the EMA, and look, we get pushes to the upside, we come back to the 20 EMA, we use it as a support zone. We get a really strong push to the upside, come back to this 20 EMA, again use it as a support zone. And again, push to the upside. Where do we come back? We come in between the value zone between the 20 and 13 exponential moving average. We do slightly break below, which is fine. All of these areas looking like we're just slightly breaking below, but that's why you really want to be getting in at this average price and not be buying high. The goal is, if the uptrend is moving in the upwards direction, you want to be buying low in these areas, buying low in these areas, buying low in these areas to get that continuous uptrend. So for the last few months, starting from 2023, we have had continuous upside momentum all the way to the high. We made 83%, currently up 65% in 2023. So very different from a lot of other cryptocurrencies that we are looking at. So the main reason that I do believe that this is happening is because TRX is showing promise despite its legal troubles. So TRX has been in legal trouble for a long time. Justin Sun is actually the owner of TRX, and he'd been in legal trouble for a little while now, and I believe that's why in this 2018 bull run we were able to make the high, but in the 2021 we were unable to make the high. So let's look at the legal side. For context, March 2023, the legal troubles descended upon Justin Sun, as I just explained, the owner of TRX Tron Foundation. US Securities Exchange SEC filed a lawsuit against them. And what just happened recently is the court ordered on the 14th of September of this year, granted an extension for more time for Justin Sun and the legal team. And that's why recently we've seen a really strong uptick in this price. What is expected to happen is Justin Sun to basically win the case against SEC, because you wouldn't see price moving in this upwards direction and having that continuous uptick in this exponential moving average. So I'm extremely excited about what's happening, because when I'm buying coins, as I'm always talking about, and if you've watched any of my previous videos, I only buy coins when we've got this exponential moving average ticking to the upside, because this means in this area that we have more long-term momentum to continue with the upside. And you can see once we began to flick to the upside in this area, every single time much higher momentum. Big pushes, buy. Big pushes, buy back at the 20 EMA. And that is my strategy, is to buy on these 20 EMA pushes and then look for these really strong pushes to the upside. So now I can look to actually be purchasing TRX right now for the upcoming bull run. But what are the prices that I'm looking at to actually be selling? That's the next thing that I really want to be looking at, because now I can buy. I can actually go into the exchange and purchase, because I know that the long-term trend has begun to shift and we have some probability of actually flicking to the upside. As I said, want to be buying at that 20 EMA. Next thing that we can do is, because we have all unknown territory above this 35-cent range, we have unknown territory. TRX has never traded in that territory before. So we need to use something like the trend-based Fibonacci extension, where we go to this low, we're going to use the 2021 high, not the all-time high, but the 2021 high. Then we bring it down to the low that happened in early 2023 or late 2022. We then scroll out and we see price projection. This is the biggest one right here, and I'm always looking at, and look at how perfectly we get a confluence zone. This 161A to 175 is known as the golden zone for the Fibonacci trend-based extension. Where does this perfectly line up with? Well, it perfectly lines up with the old all-time high, and you can see how these ratios play such a massive part in trading, and you really need to be understanding them. That's why you really should check out my trading course. So we've got the 161A at the old all-time high. This would be the first level that I'm looking to get out of my position on TRX. And as we spoke about before, from the current price, it's around 300% away. That would be an absolutely fantastic position. Get it 300% away. Look to take a really strong portion of my position off. Look to put that into a new coin, new potential, new blood, and even potentially leave this for some higher gains, because when we scroll out, we've also got the 261A, we've got the 361A, and we've got the 423 level. When we look at Tron though, the next thing is we need to look at the market cap. It is ranked 10 out of all 9,000 cryptocurrencies right now, and it's got close to an $8 billion market cap. So for Tron to make it this 300%, it needs to go from an $8 billion market cap times 3, $24 billion market cap. So to make it up to this 300%. But when we're saying this 2618, 3618, 423 level, how much percent is that away? That's around 500%, 700%, and 800%. So when we're saying around 700%, we're expecting this $8 billion to also times by 7, which is $56 billion. Can we expect Tron to go to a $56 billion market cap? Well, that's something that we definitely need to take into account. But I definitely do believe it can come back to this old all-time high here at that 300% range away. So this is one of the most perfect price predictions I can make for a coin. We've got some perfect levels. The 1618 is one of my favorite levels in the market. Perfectly lines up with an old all-time high. When we go back and actually look at cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other coins, when they make a new high, they actually make a high between this 2618 to 3618 level. So that's one of the high probability areas that if we're going to break above this high, we're going to make it around the 600% gain. So it's a really strong gain. Why not have TRX in your portfolio of many large different other cryptocurrencies, because it has a big potential. My favorite, as I talk about right now, it has this exponential moving average finally flicking to the upside, because even when we flick over to Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies, we can see we did have this uptrend in the exponential moving average, but look at lately in the price, we have been flicking to the downside. But we look at TRX, we've still got a really strong uptick in the market. We're not looking downtrending. We're still continuously uptrending in the market. That's what I want to see. Get this exponential moving average, look to buy low, look to sell high, look to sell into some of these areas. Absolutely perfect trading. Smash the like, subscribe, leave a comment, tap that notification bell. Check out this video description for everything you need to know about trading, and sign up to my trading masterclass at 50% off. Check out the best top global crypto exchange where you can sign up for a massive bonus. And if you'd like to continue watching my videos, click the one that's on your screen right now.